is Amelia Potriana from Management Class 24A, Student ID 2441015. Today, I am going to talk about a very interesting and powerful topic, charismatic leadership. Many people assume that leadership is just about having a little authority, but charismatic leadership is different. It's about inspiring, influencing, and connecting with people at a deeper level. Charismatic leaders are remembered not only for what they achieve, but also for how they make others feel and how they motivate their team to go beyond that same possible. In this video, we will explore what charismatic leadership is, characterized, how it inspires followers, advantage and challenge, real-life example, and how anyone can develop charisma to become a better leader. Let's dive in. Definition of charismatic leadership. So, what exactly is charismatic leadership? It is a leadership style in which a leader uses personal calm, vision, and communication skills to inspire, to motivate, and followers. Unlike traditional leadership, which often relies on authority or roles, charismatic leadership, it is a leadership style in which a leader uses personal calm, vision, and communication skills to inspire, to motivate, and followers. Unlike traditional leadership, which often relies on authority or roles, charismatic leadership relies on influence and emotional connection. Being a leader would not only tell the time what do but also makes them feel part of meaningful mission. These leaders' energy, passion, and commitment encourage everyone to give their best even beyond what they thought they were capable of. Key characteristic. Charismatic leaders have some specific traits that make them stand out. Visionary. They have a clear and inspiring vision of the future. This vision is not just words, it's something people can see themselves being part of. Confidence. They act decisively and so believe in the STEM lives and turn them this confidence is contagious. Communication skill. They use storytelling, body language, and tone of voice to connect emotional with followers. Empathy. They understand and relate to people's needs, concerns, and motivation. Personal appeal. Their personality naturally attracts loyalty, trust, and admiration. Together, these traits make people not just follow them but feel motivated to commit the vision fully. How charismatic leader inspire? Charismatic leader inspired by creating a sense of purpose, meaning, and achievement. For example, a leader might share a personal story about overcoming challenge. This makes this vision feel relatable and them more willing to work forward it. They also set example with their own action when leaders demonstrate hard work and them more willing to work forward it. They also set example with their own action when leaders demonstrate hard work, integrity, and passion. Team members tend to mirror these behaviors. Charismatic leaders make followers feel informed, capable, and motivated to go beyond their comfort zones. Advantage of charismatic leadership. Charismatic leadership has many benefits. Boost motivation. Team members feel energized because they believe in the leader's vision, encourages innovation. Followers are willing to take risks and be creative because they feel supported. Strengths loyalty. People are more committed to the team and the organization. Improves performance in difficult times. Charisma can help teams stay focused and resilient even during challenges. This advantage so make charismatic leaders often achieve extraordinary results when people are inspired. They work harder, smarter, and with more enthusiasm. Potential rights and challenges. However, charismatic leadership is not without rights. Teams might become over-dependent on the leader, rely too much on direction. Decisions may be influenced more by personal preference than by facts or collaboration. Leaders themselves might experience burnout from constantly maintaining energy and engagement. Followers may lose control thinking if they barely follow the leader. Therefore, charismatic leadership must balance their influence with ethical judgment and accurate, independent thought among their team members. This ensures sustainability and prevents over-reliance. Difference from other leadership styles. Charismatic leadership is different from other styles. Unlike transactional leadership, which relies on rewards, punishment, and rules, charismatic leadership relies on personal influence and emotional connection. Compared to transactional leadership, charismatic leader inspire primarily through personal magnetism, while transformational leaders focus on system change. Both aim for high performance, but charisma adds energy, excitement, and emotional motivation. They can make leadership. Charismatic leaders inspire primarily through personal magnetism, while transformational leaders focus on system change. Both aim for high performance, but charisma adds energy, excitement, and emotional motivation. They can make people more willing to go above and beyond. Real life example. Let's look at some well-known charismatic leaders. Nelson Mandela inspired a nation through vision, moral authority, and resilience. Martin Luther King Jr. motivated millions to pursue equality through his speechless and personal example. Elon Musk inspired them to innovate and take bold risks with highest vision and personal energy. These leaders saw how charisma can mobilize people, achieve extraordinary results, and create lasting impact. Developing charismatic leadership. Although some people are naturally charismatic, it is also a skill that can be developed. Improve communication skills, speak clearly, personality, and personality. Build confidence. Believe in yourself and your vision. Demonstrate integrity. Lead equally and by example. Connect genuinely, show empathy, and you can speak clearly, personality, and personality. Build confidence. Believe in yourself and your vision. Demonstrate integrity. Lead equally and by example. Connect genuinely, show empathy, and you can for your team. Self-reflection, proactive, and feedback are key. Charisma grows over time when leaders are aware of how their action and energy influence others. Conclusion. In conclusion, charismatic leadership is powerful and inspiring style that relies on personal influence, vision, and emotional connection. It can motivate them to achieve extraordinary results, foster loyalty, and encourage creativity. However, it must be balanced with ethical judgment and independent thinking to avoid our dependence by developing communication, confidence, and creativity. However, it must be balanced with ethical judgment and independent thinking to avoid our dependence by developing communication, confidence, integrity, and empathy. Anyone can grow into a charismatic leader and make a lasting positive impact. Thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires you to lead with the charisma and empower those around you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.